have already experienced augmented reality if you've played Pokemon Go, Harry Potter, Wizards Unite, or The Walking Dead: Our World. These games, which are the result of cutting-edge technology, blur the border between reality and fiction. But what more does the future of augmented reality hold? Stay tuned. In today's video, we will discuss the future of augmented reality and its 10 awesome use cases. Welcome to Future. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates with everything on Future Technology. The use of digital visual components, sound, or other sensory cues to create an enhanced aspect of the real physical environment is known as augmented reality. Technology has revolutionized gaming, and it is all set to do the same in our routine lives as well. The future of augmented reality is being watched by the entire globe and has the ability to make our life safer and more convenient. Augmented reality has the ability to make the seemingly impossible possible, and humans have always attempted to better themselves by discovering and developing new things, and are the reflection of this natural human tendency. Join us as we take a look at some of the 10 most amazing ways that augmented reality can be applied to our daily life. Number 10. Virtual user instructions and assembly instructions. Virtual user guides based on augmented reality can show 3D holograms, overlays, and visual instructions in the form of 3D animations for devices like cars, refrigerators, cameras, and more. When it comes to assembly instructions, we'll be able to observe the building of products like desks, cabinets, and more in 3D holograms and 3D animations for any stage. Number 9. Sporting events. The Major League Baseball organization in the United States is looking into the possibilities of creating augmented reality experiences utilizing analytics data from its own Hawkeye baseball tracking system. Augmented reality delivery in a virtual area can be done with a higher degree of accuracy and realism if exact data on where participants and the ball would be on the field at all times throughout a match is available. It appears that data from sports such as soccer, American football, golf, and others may be used in the same way to provide spectators with augmented reality experiences. Number 8. Automotive Industry. Augmented reality displays can aid drivers in processing information that improves their perspective on the road. These types of displays could alert drivers to potential hazards that may arise throughout their travel. And due to personalized images that are matched to the environment, they can also make navigation easier than traditional map software. This technology is already used by automotive manufacturers such as Nissan, Audi, and Volvo. BMW and Accenture collaborated to develop an augmented reality app that allows buyers to test drive a new automobile in their driveway without having to visit a shop. How cool is that? Number 7. Healthcare. By offering visual examples and simulations, augmented reality can assist patients to comprehend the benefits and hazards of specific drugs and procedures. And augmented reality can also assist doctors by developing simulations of how specific surgeries should be carried out, and it can also benefit medical students by providing a very intuitive picture of the human body. These are just some of the exciting applications of augmented reality in healthcare. Number 6. Outdoor and indoor navigation. In both outdoor and indoor situations, augmented reality could make navigation easier. Indoors, for example, a line could be drawn over the ground to direct you to a certain location, such as at a huge airport, an airport parking lot, a large mall, an office building, or a college campus. Instead of typing an address into your map software when you're outside, you'll be able to pinpoint an exact location, and directions will appear instantly. You can even follow an augmented reality created route on the ground. And you will be able to point at an object, such as a building, and get all the information about it. Very interesting. Number 5. The creation of the Metaverse. An open metaverse will be achievable thanks to the integration of augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, 5G networks, and other technologies. A merger of physical augmented and virtual reality in such a shared online arena is referred to as the Metaverse. The Metaverse will be the next step in the growth of the internet. The Metaverse might be thought of as a 3D or 4D counterpart of the current 2D internet. You can think of the Metaverse as an internet that you would be inside of rather than one that you will be just looking at. Almost like the movie The Matrix, it will have an impact on every industry on the planet. What are your thoughts on the Metaverse? Let us know below. Number 4. Virtual assistants. Augmented reality lenses containing micro LED displays that place information inside the wearer's eyes are currently being developed by a firm named Mojo. Its initial objective is to assist those with weak vision by improving contrast or allowing them to zoom in on items. However, The lenses will eventually be made available to the general public and might be used to display information such as health tracking statistics, text messages, weather forecasts, and more. It might also be used to improve human vision in low-light situations, or as a teleprompter during public speaking engagements. With the help of advanced artificial intelligence, augmented reality lenses and glasses could ultimately be used to augment the environment around us, and even provide virtual support. A virtual assistant software might listen to all of your conversations, read your emails, monitor your blood chemistry, and more, depending on the rights you provided. This artificial intelligence-enabled software will learn your preferences, anticipate your needs and behaviors, shop for you, monitor your health, and assist you to navigate toward your mid- and long-term goals. Number 3. Clothing and fashion. Customers will be able to see how a purchase would look on them through augmented reality, which simulates in-person buying experiences online. Customers may, for example, view how virtual replicas of clothing, shoes, jewelry, makeup, and sunglasses look on them. This is also referred to as virtual fitting room technology. By 2027, its global market is expected to reach $10 billion. And the majority of these experiences will be provided by smartphones, smart glasses, and other handheld and wearable technologies. Another approach to employ augmented reality is to promote these types of experiences through smart mirrors. Already many big-name retailers including Ralph Lauren and Hans & Moritz already have smart mirrors in their stores. Number 2. Appliances, furniture, and other tangible products. This is already possible thanks to a dozen of smartphone apps. Customers can now click on a product and see it overlay wherever they point their device. Customers will be able to view how appliances and furniture will look in their own houses. And customers may instantly modify the type of appliances and furnishings, as well as the colors, sizes, and other features in this scenario. This is a great tool for picturing room layouts and color combinations before buying a product. Besides that, one can also view merchandise of every conceivable angle inside of an immersive 360-degree experience. Shopify Augmented Reality is one example of a platform that allows customers to see products in natural settings before purchasing them. And this technology will only get more smooth and more user-friendly as time goes on. Number 1. Education. There are a variety of applications for augmented reality that can help students learn more effectively, especially those who are dominantly visual learners. The capacity for a learner to study a 3D hologram from a variety of perspectives is one of the key benefits of augmented reality. They can better study and understand some concepts by navigating around a virtual object or rotating it in space. This alone has the potential to transform learning in fields such as biology, anatomy, cosmology, geometry, and others. It has the potential to transform how students can benefit from experiential learning via augmented reality. Here students can execute mathematical and scientific simulations in 3 dimensions and observe the outcomes from all angles. Students can, for example, observe how various drugs influence different organs in humans. They can also experiment with different physical conditions on a simulated planet to discover how they affect its ability to host life. When compared to other ways, this type of learning is so much more likely to be recalled and understood by students. This is not all. Augmented reality has many more other applications. For instance, when cities are expanding or new construction plans are indeed being written up, augmented reality can assist architects in seeing potential problems. Managers in industries such as mining, forestry, and fishing, as well as assembly lines and factories, will be able to predict and eliminate workplace injuries using augmented reality. Which of these use cases impressed you the most? Do you think augmented reality will transform our lives for the better? Let us know in the comments section below. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated on everything about future technology.